Today I'm going to deal with the bridge stud inserts for the Floyd Rose system. Appears to me the inserts themselves were too small. They drilled the holes too big. They put this tin or brass shim in there, which on this one they did it the right size. On the other one, I think either the hole was misshaped or something which forced that to crack. That's the only thing I can think of at this point. Here is my monstrosity. Uh, yeah, don't get mad at me. I didn't want to go upstairs into all my boxes of screws and bolts, but this works. Voila. Okay, let's put these out of the way for now so I can look at the wood. Yeah, look at that. See that hole's too loose. Let's get that wood out of there if we can. Oh, there we go. I know you non-woodworkers have gone, oh my God, what are you doing? And you woodworkers are going, yeah, that's a nice break. Let's hope the same thing holds true for that piece of wood between the pickup and the neck insert. Oh, beautiful. Look how perfectly that came out. Excellent. Again, that's not a bad thing, believe me. That's good because all the wood stayed compressed together. Uh, so it's going to fit together like puzzle pieces. As long as I treat them easily, I put the glue on them and slide them back and tap them in nice and easy so everything lines up. And then I put a few clamps on them. Yeah, those things are going to fit in just like it's new. And then I can fill the two bridge inserts for the Floyd Rose and re-drill it so the size is perfect to deal with the striations on those inserts.